Hi, welcome to Mr. Hubel's classroom. Today we are going to be looking at the addition algorithm. Let's start with 23 plus 15. Now when we're using the addition algorithm, it's very important that we think about place value. Now both of these numbers are two-digit numbers, which means they have tens and units. And when we're doing an addition, we need to start with the units first. So let's look at 3 plus 5. That gives us 8. Next, we need to add the tens together. That's 20 plus 10, which gives us 30, which is a 3 in the tens column. So 23 plus 15 is 38. Next, we're going to look at 76 plus 18. So again, we'll start by making sure we are careful with our place value. So adding the units together, we have 6 plus 8, which we all know is 14. Now, this is where we have trouble. We can't put 14 in the units column. So we're going to apply what we know about expanded notation. 14 is equal to 10 plus 4. So we can put the 4 in the units column, and the 10 we're going to put as an extra on the tens column there. So now we'll be adding the tens, 70 plus 10 plus this extra 10. And 70 plus 10 plus 10 is 90. So that is a 9 in the tens column. So 76 plus 18 is 94. Good luck with doing these, and we'll see you next time on Mr. Hubel's Classroom.